I want to welcome you to Dream Chasers Radio with me, your host, Yaya Diamond. As you can see, the title just says it. It says it all. I'm newly monetized on YouTube. So, what do you expect when you get monetized on YouTube? Automatically, you think money. And I'm going to let you know it's not that easy. So how much am I making on YouTube since I've started being monetized? I've only been monetized like 1 week and a half, I think. Like a week, like 11 days, 10 days, or something like that. And so it's not very easy to get monetized. First of all, it took me a very long time. And because of the content that I have, which are interviews, a lot of people haven't found my station yet, but I'm hoping they will. So I'm going to share with you my analytics and I'm going to share with you how much I've gotten paid in a week and a half of being monetized on YouTube. And I'm going to let you know it's not that much, but it is a beginning because I wasn't monetized and now I am. So, hey, so let me go ahead and share this page with you so that you guys can see what it's like and what it might look like for you. I mean, I just know, no, for me, this is what it looks like. But for you, it may look like amazing. But for me, it looks like this. So my channel got 33,913 views in the last 28 days. And my views have gone up about 33,000. That's because, and I'm going to tell you the truth, I have been promoting the heck out of this station. I have been like literally promoting this station, okay? And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not been easy, okay? So my channel in the last 28 days have gotten 33,000 views. My watch time has gone up to 3K. My subscribers have gone up to 1K, and I have made $30.86. You got it. $30.86. Yeah, you can't pay your rent on that. Okay. However, remember, it's new for me. My subscriber count is 2,833. And so I'm doing pretty good here, guys. I mean, okay, so my reach is amazing. I think my reach has gone up because look at this. I mean, in the last 28 days, I have done really, really well. So if you look here, you'll see different people and different numbers. They go up and down. I think right here, September the 8th, which was my birthday, I had 3,770 people. Thank you. That came on the show, that watched the show. So my impressions are really good. Direct and unknown, suggested videos, and all that. We have to really keep our eye out on this. Now, what's really surprised me is my Google search traffic is amazing. It's at 79%. That means I'm doing something good on Google, but I don't know what it is. Now, remember, I've only been doing this for about 10 or 11 days, and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to keep doing it. So let's go ahead and go back and let's look at this really quick. So I'm doing it. I'm just, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So, but what I wanted to see was my engagement here. And my reggaeton video and all that stuff is going up. And I'm loving this. So you get to see all of your retention here, and then it jumps right there to 214. And again, I've been promoting the heck out of the station. So this is really a direct result of me working very hard to get this station up and running. And again, I've only made $30, but that's okay. My audience is what really truly surprised me. My audience views. Now, see, once you get your last 28 days, you'll see when people are more likely to jump on your station. So, right here at 12 a.m., very many of my viewers are on YouTube at 12 o'clock in the morning. I mean, seriously, on Sunday at 12. So I have to really pay attention to when my audience is in and when they're not. Okay. So I'm looking at this going, wow, this is amazing. And I'm actually loving this. Now, this is the biggest thing. Look at this. Spain, Russia, Germany, UK, France. I wanted to see more of my geography because I wanted to see why it's so many people in a different country. Now, United States is like 494, but everywhere else it's kicking. I don't understand that, guys. I'm like looking at it. I'm in Brazil, Vietnam. I mean, so hey Mexico. I'm in a lot of different places. So I really do need to pay attention to this because this is really going to help me to actually build the station. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And let's go back and let's go to revenue because that's what we were talking about. So my playback based on CPR is $4.59. I'm at a total of $30.86. And I made some more money before that. So I'm right now at about $60 made in the last 11 days. So not 11 days, from when I was monetized before and then now. Now, when I was monetized before, I didn't even know what monetization was, and I didn't know I was monetized, and then I wasn't monetized, and then now I am again. So you just got to keep watching that, keep promoting your station, and keep doing the best that you can to push your station. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I have been monetized for about, like I said, 11 days, 10, 11 days. I've been pushing this. As you can see, it kind of jumps right here from the day when I started really pushing it. And then it just kind of fell and then went back up and whatever. So this is where I make my money. And you can see here, I made my most money on the 28th of September at $8.71. And it went down and then it just nothing because I wasn't monetized. So on Thursday, September 23rd, I believe is when I got monetized. And then it just kind of went up from there. So maybe a little bit more than 10 or 11 days. But that's okay. Because as you can see, in September, I made $14.76. And in October, so far, I've made $16.10. So it is going up, but I continually have to push it. So I want to let you know that the best videos are these kind of videos to make. So if you're going to do any videos, if a YouTuber is what you want to do, if this is your dream to be a YouTuber, to be on YouTube and to teach people and to actually have a video like mine and to do what I do, you're going to have to learn all of this stuff. And I am still learning, but I am very thankful. So in retrospect, guys, don't expect too much. But then again, your channel may be growing up so big and so fast, and you might get monetized and just shoot way past me. And congratulations on that. And thank you so much because, for doing this YouTube video today, I have learned a lot. But thank you so much for tuning in. And please don't forget to watch the videos, subscribe, like, and comment. And let me know if you have any suggestions on any topics I might be able to kind of tackle. And don't forget to dare to be different, guys. Until next time, bye.